Open website by typing USGS. A site USGS Earth Engine will open. From selected geocoding method, select feature, GNS, click on the add coordinates. Get your locations lat/long by searching on any search engine, Google. Put your latitude degrees in the lat section. Then put your longitude degrees in the long section as seen, and then click Add. Click Use Map. Put in day, month, year and date range section. Select start and end date. Click on Datasets option. Select your wishing satellite data you want to download. Check through the box. Finally click Results. Loading takes a little while. As you've seen, the data has been shown. Select one of your file you want to download. Click the download option. Again, takes a while. Dialog box will open. Click Product Options. Clicking on Add All to Bulk. Choose Bundle Option 5. Your file be ready to download. Download the file. Thanks for watching.